Hey guys, this is that 07 3500 cabin chassis, just under 128,000 miles. This has the 6.0 gas burner. Engine sounds really good. I hear no knocking, anything like that. Has the 8 foot wide by 9 foot long Bradford flatbed, receiver hitch, ball with cover, sides flip down on this one. I see no rust, anything in the cab. Interior's in pretty good shape. The one wear spot in the floor on the driver's side, spot in the seat there. Otherwise, passenger seat's fantastic. Driver's seat still got a lot of padding. I've been using this truck here, guys, to test all the lights and everything on the trailers and the brakes. Brake controller works in this. All the lights work on this. Tell you what, you're needing a regular cab dually with 4-wheel drive, nice truck here for you.